Hi there, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and welcome to the final day of the Camilla Cowell Sew Along and tutorial sponsored by So English Fabrics. We are so excited about our last day. We are going to be finishing up our tops, and yeah, I'm not going to say anything else. Let's do this thing. All right, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the cuffs for my sleeves. Now, you can just hem your cuffs or hem your sleeves if you'd like. You'll simply fold the raw edge up 1/4 inch and press, and then you'll fold again 3/8 of an inch, press, clip in place, and stitch with a stretch stitch or cover stitch all the way around. But I am going to put cuffs on mine. So what this is going to do, it's going to show you how to do the cuff. What I'm about to show you has dual purposes. Now, it's going to show you how to cuff your sleeve, but it's also the same method that we used for the band at the bottom. The only difference is the band is in 2 pieces and the cuff for the sleeve is in 1. So for the band, you'll put both of your pieces right sides together, just like this, and you will stitch across both of the short ends, and then you have one continuous band. For the sleeve cuff, you have 1 piece. You will fold it right sides together, and you will then only sew across the 1 raw edge. So that's what I'm going to do now. All right, so here we are. We've got our 2 sleeve cuffs, or our 1 waistband, and we are going to quarter it. All right, now we will take our sleeve cuff or band and we will fold it wrong sides together, matching up that seam there. Additionally, we have some sewing school videos that I will post in the blog post, so that if you need reference on how to do a band, a waistband, or a cuff, you can get a little bit of extra help. So let's do that to the other one here. With our sleeve or with our bottom band, the bottom of our top, we will also quarter. We're going to take our band and we are going to match up the seam with the seam on the sleeve, or the side seams of your waistband. Okay, and we're going to match up each of our clips. You just want to make sure that you don't get your band twisted. Okay, now that we've done that, we can head over to our sewing machine and we can stitch with a stretch stitch or a serger all the way around this band. We are so close to being finished. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to finish the bottom. Now, if you're putting a band on, you do it exactly how I just showed you, or you can reference the video links that I put in the blog post to help you with your band. But for me, I'm hemming. We are going to turn our top inside or wrong side out. Grab a hem gauge. If you hemmed your sleeves and you didn't do the cuffs, this is exactly the same. You're going to fold up 1/4 inch, then fold up another 3/8 inch, and then you're going to use a cover stitch or a stretch stitch or a zigzag to hem. So that's pretty much it. So let's do that. Okay, so here we are, all hemmed. If you're using a lightweight fabric like mine, and you find that yourself having some difficulties, this knit stay tape is a lifesaver. It's like a lightweight knit interfacing that just adds some stabilization to that hem. All right, we are all done with our Camilla cowl. The only thing I need to do is give it a good press, a good final press, get all these little wrinkles out, and then go take some pictures. Very happy with how it turned out, and I hope you're happy with how yours turned out as well. I can't wait to see your photos. I will see you next month when we will do yet another sew along. Bye!